friends, I'm Soni. I'm an NLP Master Practitioner cum coach and also a government certified trainer. In this video, I'll be explaining how overthinking can destroy our growth and what are the simple ways that we can use to overcome this habit of overthinking. Friends, thinking is good, but overthinking is harmful. Our mind is very powerful that it can lock and unlock the doors of happiness, the doors of growth, the doors of opportunities in life. Now, when we overthink, we are blocking our own way and we are locking the doors of opportunities in our life. Friends, imagine a white plain paper with a black dot on it. When the dot is very small, it will be very easy to erase it. But when you draw the mark again and again, over and over on the same place, the dot becomes big, bold, and it will become difficult to erase, right? The same thing applies to our problems. When the problems are very small, it will be very easy to remove it off. But when we overthink, we are creating problems after problems. By overthinking, we are making small problems big when actually they are not so big. For example, imagine that you have given a test or an interview and you have given some wrong answers. Now, you cannot go back to your past and erase it, or you cannot modify it. Past is past. You cannot do any change in that, right? But when we overthink about it, our mind starts saying lies to us and it gives us discomfort and it discourages us. Our mind starts saying that you have given a wrong answer, you will not get pass mark, you will not get a job, you will be disqualified in the interview, your friends will make fun of you, your society will not accept you, they will criticize you, what will be your future? All these questions comes to your mind and it makes you discomfort and it discourages you, right? Overthinking kills our happiness and it creates fear and anxiety. It causes fear of failure, fear of criticism. Slowly what happens is we start thinking what other people will think of us. What will be our future if I fail in my exam? How will I get another job if I fail in this interview? What is my future? Overthinking all about this causes anxiety and depression, and ultimately it affects your health. So my dear friends, remember, overthinking can kill your happiness, it blocks your success, it affects you mentally and physically. An African proverb says, when there is no enemy within us, the enemy outside cannot do any harm to us. Yes, the enemy within us is our own thoughts. Our thoughts can make us or it can break us. It is up to us how we utilize it. Friends, instead of focusing on the things which we cannot change, instead of focusing on what went wrong, focus on what is going right. So friends, I will give you 3 important tips which will help you to overcome this habit of overthinking. Tip number 1 is meditation, that is focusing on your own breath. Forget about everything that is happening around you and focus on your breath. Tip number 2 is focus on your present moment. If you are reading a book, focus on what you are reading. If you are driving, focus on your driving. If you are listening to music, focus on that. So by focusing on what we are doing at this present moment, we can avoid overthinking. Tip number 3 is repeat positive affirmations. Friends, if you have watched the movie The 3 Idiots, there will be a scene where a group of friends or students who will be worried about the birth of a child, and they all start repeating all is well, all is well, all is well. At the end we see everything goes on well. Friends, our thoughts are very much connected to our life. It affects us positively or in a negative way. So friends, by repeating positive words, you can stop overthinking. I'd like to conclude this video saying whatever has happened in your life is for your good, whatever is happening is for good, and whatever will happen is for good. So say no to overthinking and enjoy your life. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel to get more updates. Bye from Soni till we meet again in the next video.